Hello, it's Crafty Rhea and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to redraw the name for the Halloween prize pack from the Fall Fest collab. The winner of the fall prize, Linda Walker, did contact me, but the winner of the Halloween package did not. So I'm going to go ahead and redraw that name. But first I want to share with you a little bit of happy mail that I received the other day in my post office box. This is from a viewer. This is from Noelle. She had sent me stuff before telling me about the 4-bar cards. And here is one that she made. This is the size of the 4-bar cards. They measure 3.5 by 5. And this is beautifully embossed, this gorgeous little birdie. And you can see all that beautiful gold foiling on there. I love that. And then she says, Crafty Rhea, happy merry crafting season. Just thought I'd send along some festive goodies. I promise this is not an ad for the paper source. They just have really cute stuff. Happy crafting. Love your videos, Noelle. Thank you so much, Noelle. And I agree. I didn't know about the paper source before, and their stuff is absolutely phenomenally beautiful. I don't know where to get it. You know, where to purchase it locally, but it is so beautiful. Not that I'm going out anywhere locally to purchase anything. However, their stuff is beautiful. She sent me these beautiful wreaths, and these are all from the paper source. Those are gorgeous. They are just like real Christmas tree feeling wreaths. So pretty. Those would come in handy on Christmas cards. And then two other things she sent are these two packs of embellishments. These gorgeous trees. They are like snow-flocked trees. And then these absolutely beautiful cardinals. I love cardinals. So I already picked out some projects that I want to make with these, some Christmas cards to recycle featuring all three of these. So watch for that upcoming video. Thank you so much, Michelle. It is so appreciated. And I absolutely love these items from the paper source. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to that prize. So for the prize, I will show you one more time what's in it. We have this cute little composition book, Too Cute to Spook. These books are from the Dollar Tree, and of course I just recovered them. And this gorgeous card that says Creep It Real with all of these googly eyes on there, and it's blank inside. And then the Halloween envelope flip book. Now you guys are going to make me open this again, and you know what's inside that I don't like, but I'll show you real quick. Here are the pages inside, and that stupid spider's in there. We'll leave him down there for now. And this cute ghost tag and these little die cuts. Ugh. That crazy, crazy spider, which I do not like at all. Okay, and then open this page, and we have that and this cute tag, and then just some confetti, some fun Halloween confetti. And then that's what those pages look like. These are all from the Echo Park collection, and also the envelopes. The book, I have a tutorial on how I made these, so go check those out. So this is the Halloween prize package, and I have all the names still in the bag. I did not take any of them out except the one that won, obviously. And she did not contact me. So today is Tuesday the 13th. The winner I draw today will have until Friday the 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time to contact me. Please leave a comment below letting me know that you saw this and send me an email with your contact information. My email will be in the description box below. It is tiggeria@gmail.com. Let's go ahead and draw the winner. I have all the names in there. I don't know if you can see them real well. There we go. You can see the names in there now. Okay, so I'm going to stick my hand in and we'll draw the winner. Okay, let's go ahead and pick a winner. Trying to get just one. All right, the winner is Mandalee Cards and More. Congratulations. I am so happy that you are my Halloween winner. Mandalee, you have until Friday night at 11:59 p.m. to contact me with your name and address, and I will get your prize sent out to you. My email is tiggeria@gmail.com, tiggeria@gmail.com. That'll also be in the description box below. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, I would love it if you did. Head on over there. You'll be able to see all the projects that all of the wonderful ladies over there are creating. And then also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and then the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll be doing more giveaways along the way and you won't want to miss those. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.